Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I've been absent, except for a couple of shorts. I've been very, very busy, mostly family stuff. Anyway, as some of you may know, I had a birthday the other day, a few days ago, and my wife kindly got me a couple of things for the layout, and so you can see them there in the Walthers boxes. I'll bring them over and show them to you. Oh, the first one is the Champion Packing Company. It's a meat packing place. I didn't realise this, but it's also an abattoir. Apparently, I don't know what happens in America. They don't let you know it's an abattoir. Over here, they just call it an abattoir, slaughterhouse. But yeah, so it is. So that at the back there, you can see the chute where the cows go up, and then that's where they come out ready. So I'm going to set this up. I've got the refrigerated wagons and what have you ready for that, and the business end at the back where you can see will just be as it is, and I don't think we'll see anyone going in. I haven't made any cows to be going in, just those coming out. I like this build. I like the look of the factory when I saw it, and I saw it some years ago, and when I first wanted it, but it's hardly ever available, is it? You know, you get if you want these kits, you got to buy them when you see them, and especially in this country, you either get Walthers, Barkman, or the European ones. And some of the European ones for me are a little bit twee, a little bit too much. I love the American ones, really do. You've got to get them when you can. So I like this when I saw it, and the opportunity arose, so I got it, and I'm looking forward to building that one. I know I've got quite a lot of kits to build now. I've got a lot of Walthers, a couple of Bartman. I've built a lot of DPM kits. And the thing is, if you think I've got a lot of kits to build, go and see Clive at Newlyn. My stack pales into insignificance as what my mate Clive has got to build. It's almost as though Clive got bought all the stock from what's it place when they were closing down, you know, that one in Liverpool. When they closed down, he's got tons of stuff. But this one, Union Station, a lovely build this is going to be. I'm really looking forward to it. This is going to kind of be the main focal point, certainly at the south end of the layout. Probably the main focal point from inside the layout. You know, when you stood in the inner circle workings, this is going to be the main thing on view. So I got that as well. They weren't cheap. These are best part of £100 a piece. But unless you're prepared to shop around forever in the day, you got to get them while you can. Like I say, I got these from Gauge Master, and they only have one of each in again. So when they get them, they go quickly. So, oh dear, that's the state of play with those two. I'm going to shift us to the layout. 1 second. Right, we're back again. It was Hatton's I was thinking about. Clive looks like he's got all the stock that Hatton's had in the shop before they closed. I think I have a dozen buildings, all told. I bet Clive's got 3 or 4 times that amount. No disrespect to Clive at all. He's a great friend. He's a great bloke. It's just that he's got a lot more in stash than I have. In fact, I bet Clive's got one of the biggest stashes, not just of buildings, of locals, coaches, wagons, rolling stock, you name it, he's got it. Tons of it. His layout is going to be magnificent. Right, so here we are anyway. We're on the west side. I've not done a lot. It's the summer holidays, summer break, or whatever you call it, and I'm having my granddaughter over a lot. Uh, Beautiful granddaughter, lots of fun. She's only 2 and runs me ragged. I'm a codger, so it takes me a day or two. She comes for a few days, then goes back to her mum's, and then comes back. And it takes me a day or two to come to after she's visited. It's so much fun, but it's exhausting. So I'm going to spin us about this way if I can. Let's see that one over there. These are some of the industrial bits and some of the low relief stuff that I'm doing. And I put some, these are backed by a card. These are downloads from Scale Model Scenery I've printed off. Those little kits from Scale Model Scenery that are just MDF board, I think. And so I'm just building something up there to look like a busy scene. Then we've got the hills and the mountain at the back, which I am going to make some significant changes to open up some more land lower down and maybe include a tiny stone quarry or the remains of a stone quarry. Not quite sure yet. Tons to do, but I'm enjoying and loving every minute of it. And I've been doing the wiring for this still got lots to do, and make my way that way slowly along. That's about it. That's the catch up. Just let you know I've got a couple of really nice new kits to go in the stash. I'm having a wonderful time, really enjoying myself on the build, but I'm not getting tons of time at the moment because my little beautiful little granddaughter is coming to stay with us on and off, and I'm better spending my time with her than I am with this layout. So thank you all for looking in. I do appreciate it. I'm probably going to try and fire up another couple of shorts as I can. Thank you everyone who's recently subscribed as well. I do appreciate it. And that's it for now. I hope everyone's well. Do take care. I'll speak to you all very, very soon. Bye for now, my friends, and do take care.